blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Red color, red color. Black color, black color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color, blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and again use blue color, blue color. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids now draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for goat, G for glass, and use green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use red color, red color. Kids again use red color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion. Kids now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M, and use black color, black color. Kids again use black color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids now draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Q. Q for queen, and again use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use blue color, blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids now draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw V. V for van. V for vanilla. Kids now draw W. W for wolf. And again use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw Y. Y for yak. Kids now draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. Red color. O N E 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. T W O 2. Kids now draw 3. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. And use black color. Black color. F O U R 4. Kids again use black color and draw 5. The numbers of 5. F I V E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. S E V E N 7. 8. E I G H T 8. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 9. N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 10. T E and 10. Kids today draw A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Blue color. Blue color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Red color. Red color. Yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Green color. Green color. Black color. Black color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1. O N E 1. And use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. T W O 2. T H tree. FOUR 4. FIVE 5. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. Yellow color. SIX 6. SEVE and 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10. TE and 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use red color. Red color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use red color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15 and again use red color. Red color. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Blue color. Blue color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Red color. Red color. Green color. Green color. Yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Black color. Black color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball. B for bat. Kids now draw C. C for cat. C for car. Kids again use blue color and draw D. D for dog. D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish. F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for goat. G for glass. Kids now draw H. H for hand. H for helicopter, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now draw J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids again use red color and draw K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L for lion, and use green color. M for moon. Kids again use green color and draw N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O for orange, O for octopus, and use yellow ochre color. P for parrot, P for penguin. It's again use yellow ochre color and draw Q for queen. Kids now draw R for rose, and again use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw S for sun, S for snake, and use black color. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use black color and draw U for umbrella. Kids now draw V for van, V for vanilla, and use blue color. W for wolf. Kids now draw X for X-ray, and use blue color. Y for yak. Kids now draw Z for zebra, Z for zoo, and use blue color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.